guys, and welcome to BubblePOP Kids. So as you know, here at the show, I love Shopkins and I love candy. So I had the best idea ever, and I will show you. Dun da da! I thought we could make a do-it-yourself Shopkins gumball machine. It is so fun, and it's going to be such a cool craft. So I found this really yummy looking gumball machine, and I found some gumballs and Shopkins stickers. We are going to use those to decorate the gumball machine and make it Shopkin-rific. So what do you say we start opening these stickers and decorating? Hi my little Shopkins, do you agree? Will this be a cool craft for us to do?
Yeah, woohoo! We love gumballs! Let's make the gumball machine!
Okay, so my little yummy Shopkin friends agree with us that we should do this, so let's see. Okay, let's start off with the gumball machine. Here it is. It's got a little knob here that you turn. And when we want to add the gumballs, we just twist off the top and pour them in there. Just like that. And when you turn it, the gumball is going to come right out of here on the bottom. Okay, so let's open up these Shopkin stickers. Let's move the gumballs to the side. That's going to be our last step. So here they are. This set includes 4 sticker sheets and 1 decal scene. Well, I don't think we'll be using the decal scene because this is going to be our scene right here, this yummy machine. Okay, over 100 stickers. Woohoo! So many to choose. Okay, so let's go over the different stickers here. Okay, so these ones are really cute. They're all pictures of Shopkins, shopping carts, and baskets. They have apple blossom, strawberry kiss. There they all are. And in case you're wondering what they look like, they are like little squares and rectangles. Cutest sticker ever. Okay, so we can use some of those later. Ooh, look at these. We have the big ones. Ooh, look at these ones. Coming up next, we have these I can show you the size. They're huge. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have cheeky chocolate, cheesy, delish donut, strawberry kiss, lippy lips, cookie cookie, apple blossom, and cupcake queen. So we're definitely going to use these on this. Look at this Mega Mondo Shopkin sticker. This thing is huge. I can just show you how big it is. Look at that. It's a huge Shopkins shopping cart filled with all of our favorite characters. And these are all stickers as well. We have pineapple and all of these here. Ooh, I like this one. Polish. I can't remember her name, if you guys remember her name. Okay, we have a little mushroom here. Ooh, and that one looks so yummy. And we also have these stickers, and these are all of the characters. Pretzel, jelly beans. This is season 1, I'm thinking, and I'm not so familiar with all of their names, but I'll give you a close-up, and here they are. I think this is the whole set on season 1. There's so many and they're so cool. Oh, little cheeseburger.
We can't wait to decorate! Come on, let's do it!
Here we go. Let the decorating begin. Here it is, our custom-made Shopkins gumball machine. It is so pretty. It's like the prettiest gumball machine ever. And it's got all the Shopkins characters on there. Look, it's got cute little strawberries and blueberries at the bottom. And right where the gumball comes out, I put a lippy lip sticker. Here is the bottom piece. And moving up to the middle, I put all these little Shopkins in their shopping baskets. And moving up to the gumball globe, I put all of the big stickers of the characters. And here they are, with some little ones as well, and cheesies right at the top. Time to put in the gumballs.
Did somebody say gumballs? Yay! Gumballs, gumballs, gumballs!
Okay, so first I'm gonna pop off the top here. Ooh, how does it come off? I did it before.
Okay, so I popped off the top to our gumball machine. Here it is, the cute little Shopkins dancing around. And here are the gumballs, so let's load them in. Let's see.
Alright, we're filling up a gumball machine here. Okay, I think that's enough. Next, I'm going to get the base and screw it onto the top, and there we go. Amazing. Look how yummy that looks. I mean, the gumball machine would have looked delish either way, but with those little Shopkins on there, it just looks even better. It's just so fancy. Okay, Waffle Sue, the first gumball is gonna be yours. Let's turn the dial and see how this baby works. And here we go. Ooh, we got an orange. Our first gumball is orange. Here you go, Waffle Sue, and you can eat that. Who's up next?
Hi, I'm Minnie Mintie. Can the next gumball please be for me, please? I love candy. Look, I'm a candy. Ooh, red. My second favorite color to green. Yummy. Woohoo! It's like a soccer ball.
Okay guys, so that is the end of our do-it-yourself Shopkins gumball machine. I had so much fun playing with the little Shopkins, decorating, and playing with the gumballs, watching them come down. We're gonna have so many more Shopkins coming up and crafty things, My Little Pony, Disney Princess, you name it. We're BubblePOP Kids, and you can click this big red subscribe button here and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, bye!